All right, well, joining us now, the lawyer for Prajwal Revanna. Thank you very much, Arun Ji, for being with us. Where is your client now?
Sir, I have already written a letter, and as of today, I haven't privileged communication with him. So probably it would be too early for me to answer your question. He is not in Bangalore, and we have requested for a 7 days time.
He's not in the country either, is he? When is he going to come back?
See, he requires 7 days time. Based on that, he would be coming, sir. After 7 days or within 7 days, he would be here.
But why isn't he coming earlier on when there are such serious charges against him?
See, sir, I do not know what is the mood which has been running in your conversation or in your debate, which is being aired right now. So all that I may say is that when he is being served with a notice to come and appear before the investigating authorities, we have spoken to him. He requested. There are certain other issues which has been involved in this case, and it is less said it's better. So we felt that it requires some time also. For that purpose, we have given 7 days request there. He would come and cooperate.
So 7 days to be outside the country. In 7 days' time, he doesn't feel that he can be in the country and answer any questions.
I don't want to comment on those things, sir, because once it has been under investigation, so I don't want to give it in any kind of sense that he's not abiding to the requirement of law. He is abiding to the requirement of law. He is ready to come. To that extent, we have made the communication.
There is an effort by the Chief Minister who's written to the Prime Minister saying that his passport should be cancelled as well. How do you react to that, sir?
Sir, see, he feels that is the correct means of communication, and he has done that. And probably being in that position and you being in media, probably you're the right person to ask the person who has actually made that request in the public domain. And what is the outcome he requires also. But so far as an individual, I feel probably Twitter or any social media should not be the forum to make any kind of such kind of a request.
And yet, it was on Twitter that your client actually made a statement saying that the truth will be revealed. So he's using Twitter as well.
Very much. But when such kind of a communication is being done, it is just to bring it to the public's notice that what is being transpiring from his end. It is nothing more than that. That letter is only appealing to the public as well as the people who are doubting him unnecessarily or who are too early to draw certain conclusions. There is some clarity from his side also. That is the whole object of he making the communication. So, he is not expecting any kind of a clean sheet or anything on a public media or on a public forum. He has to go by through the legal process, sir.
No, absolutely. That's where the clean sheet will be given or not given. But yes. I played out an interview that we'd done with Dr. Nagalakshmi Chaudhary, Karnataka State Commission for Women Chief, where she said, based on the video that she saw, there appeared to be instances of rape and non-consensual sex acts. How would you respond to that?
No, she's holding certain position, and she has certain powers. She has certain duties being in that position. So let her do her do her job, and we will do our job.
No, but she is doing her job. But to a direct question on whether she believed there were instances of rape, while she did say that these need to be established, she said that in her opinion there were acts of rape. In other words, your client is a rapist. How would you respond to this statement by a person in a position of authority, Dr. Nagalakshmi Chaudhary, Karnataka State Commission for Women Chief?
See, such kind of an inferences to be drawn from her word, like any kind of at whosoever's instance, I feel it is incorrect. Such kind of an inference, first thing. The other thing is that, see, when she says that she has seen that, at least my client and myself, we do not have the benefits with what kind of material the complaints have been registered. Because when you are saying that that is what she's been disclosing to you, that she has the benefits.
She's disclosed it to
myself
me
or to my client.
To the entire world in an interview we played 5 minutes back.
Such kind of a material, we do not have that benefit. So how do you expect us to comment on that, whether she's correct or incorrect?
Have you gone through all the footage, sir, which has been revealed,
certainly
which she
not,
evidently
sir.
has?
Certainly not, sir. Certainly not, sir.
But sir, isn't that strange, as the legal counsel for Mr. Revanna, when he faces such serious allegations, you've not gone through the video?
Because my primary duty would be I would look into the records, not on the which is there beyond the records. I have the advantage as on today to look into the first information report or the complaint which has been registered before the concerned police.
But
That
what
is the
about the
only
video
material,
itself?
at least
As
by
his
your
legal
understanding, I
counsel,
believe
right?
probably you know as a journalist that as an accused at the stage of an FIR, what all material would be given to us.
But
If
surely,
at all, if there is any-
but surely, sir, I understand a little bit of the law myself. If there is such strong evidence or allegedly such strong evidence against your client, are you not going to go through that? Particularly at a stage when you've had people from the Karnataka State Commission for Women say that, in their opinion, there were instances of rape.
No, I think I have an answer from your own, like whatever the comment just now you made. It is her opinion.
Right.
Her opinion may not be the final one. It should pass through the regular legal recourse, where we would be having an opportunity to comment each and every material which they are relying for such kind of an opinion.
Sir, the person who has been named, who has filed the FIR, according to the Karnataka State Commission for Women Chief, is somebody who wants to see this case through to the end, and there is a possibility that she will remain true to what she believes and what she has written in the FIR. Is it your sense that other women who are on those videos might come forward as well?
See, in our country, every citizen have and they can exercise their rights whenever there is any kind of a grievance. And when you said that when presently whoever who has given the complaint wants to see a logical end, now as a person who has been facing the accusation and as a person whom I am representing who is facing the accusation, even he intends to see there is an end to this. Even he wants to do it. That would happen. That kind of a situation will come only when there is a proper due process is adopted.
Okay. So just a couple of questions in summary. Firstly, your client will be making himself available to the special investigating team within a week. Is that correct?
Yes, sir. That is what my request is.
Right. And he is still not in the country, right? He is still to come back, number two, right?
He is not in Bangalore.
The third point is you are, as his lawyer, denying that there is any rape which has taken place. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
All right. Mr. Arunji, I appreciate you speaking to us and defending your client in this case, a very serious one indeed.